Okay, for anyone who doesn't know how to change the wiper blades on a 99 XJ, figured it out after too long. Okay, so first you're gonna lift like that, and you're gonna pull this tab out. If it's too hard, you can use a flathead screwdriver, just like to pry it. And once that's there, the wiper blade is gonna stay up. So then you're gonna, well, if you want to remove the arm, you would just like pull. But I'm gonna see if I can replace the blade without having to do that. So on this style, it's not like this. This one is the one I just replaced, where it's just a simple hook. This one's a little covered, so just pinch here and it pops it open. And then you're gonna slide it back and then it'll pop out. You can take it out. You can replace it with your new one. Trico Exact Fit factory replacements. These are the cheapest ones. I'm just cheap. But take your wiper blade, make sure it's facing the right way. That way you're gonna see your hook. You're just going to slide it in and then it clicks, and it's that easy. And when you want to remove these specific types, you'll see that there's a little, oh, I can't. There's a, where am I? Little tabby right here. Just click that and then you slide it out. It's real easy. Turn back down, you're just gonna do the same thing where you lift it a little bit. And then you're just gonna push this tab down and then let it go. This tab will not go up or down unless this arm is lifted. Okay. You can also, if this is like lying too low, like this one is, you can actually take the whole arm off and then kind of reposition it so it's not just like resting on the bottom here, more resting up here like this one is. So I'll probably fix that now.